In this video, we're going to look at these problems on page 12 of the 6.4 slides. First, we're asked to find the number of permutations that can be formed from all the letters of the word Atlanta. Now, when we look at the word Atlanta, we can see that there are 3 A's and 2 T's. There are a total of 7 letters. To do this, we're going to use our formula for finding permutations of n objects where not all of the objects are distinct, and that is going to give us n factorial over n1 factorial times n2 factorial times a bunch of others times nk factorial. Well, in this case, there are only 2 letters that appear more than once. So this is 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial, which is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 2, which is 2 factorial, which allows us to cancel that 3 factorial, and then I can cancel something else here. I'll cancel one of those 2's in the 4, which gives me 7 times 6 times 5 times 2. Okay, well, 7 times 6 times 5, 6 times 5 is 30, times 7 is 210, times 2 is 420. So there are 420 ways to rearrange all 7 of the letters in the word Atlanta. Coming back here, we'll look at this second problem. Weaver and Klein, a stock brokerage firm, has received 9 inquiries regarding new accounts. In how many ways can these inquiries be directed to any 3 of the firm's account executives if each account executive is to handle 3 inquiries? Well, this is just saying that we've got 9 inquiries and sets of 3 of them are going to be handled by indistinct people. So basically, we are looking at 9 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Okay, well, it helps us to know that 3 factorial equals 6. Because then when we write this out, we can do this a little more easily. That's 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 6 times 3 times 2. We're just going to break it down that way because right away we can cancel that 3 factorial and that's 6, and then we can pull a 2 from this 4, which leaves us a 2 there, and pull a 3 from that 9, which leaves us a 3 there. That leaves us 3 times 8 times 7 times 5 times 2. Okay, well, calculating that, that's 24 times 35 times 2, which is 24 times 70. 24 times 70 is gave me 20 times 70, sorry. 24 times 70 is 1,680 again. We saw that in the last video. All right, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.